Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 2 of my Paris luxury unboxing. If you missed part 1, definitely go check it out after this video. I'm unboxing a gorgeous bag from Dior. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a fun little item from Hermes. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So as you guys may or may not know, Hermes Paris is like a whole other game. If you know, you're looking for some quota bags, which is their Birkin or Kelly's, definitely need an appointment. It's this like whole rigmarole where you go online, you have to request an appointment, and then it's like a lottery system. Not everybody gets it, and it's like this whole ordeal. I did try while I was there, and unfortunately this was a little bit of a fail story, or not a little bit, but just like when it comes to getting a Birkin or a Kelly, this was a fail. So I did not end up getting a leather appointment, which was kind of a bummer, but I still did end up getting an item that I was really looking forward to, and I ended up being a little bit surprised with what I actually did end up getting. I kind of had an idea in my mind, and you know, things changed, and I really liked something I didn't think I was going to like as much. So with that being said, let's start the unboxing. So I'm gonna start out with the bag, obviously. So iconic Hermes bag. This was from their flagship store in Paris. So yes, I did throw this into my suitcase and bring it home because, you know, the bag is just too gorgeous not to keep. So we're keeping the bag. And then I have my little orange box. So yes, this is not a handbag, but it is a really fun item that is kind of a classic. So let's unbox it. So I'll give you guys a little close up of the actual box. You can see the ribbon on here has the Hermes Paris on it. And I feel like I always say this in my unboxing videos, but it's just like so nice that I never want to actually unbox it, but I will. The bow got a little smooshed in my suitcase, but you know, it's all good. So go ahead and start opening it up. All right, here we go. The Hermes Paris. So beautiful, so chic and clean. So here is the lid, and then we got some shoes. So let me show you guys. When I say this is probably the most like out of character thing, but not really, for me to get, I had gone in looking for some like neutral oran, I hope I said that right, oran sandals, which are kind of their classic style. You've probably seen them everywhere. They are really cute. They have that little H on them, and I wanted them in a neutral color. So like a brown was my ideal look that I wanted with the white stitching, or a black style. And then the sales associate though brought me a couple other options and a couple other colors, which were pretty but not totally wowing me or making me not want to get just the classic brown. But then he brought this color out and I was just like sold, like immediately sold. It was so fun and just perfect for Hermes. Like when you see it, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, this was just such an iconic color, something part of their current collection, very exclusive. And I'm like, okay, you tell me if it's like hard to get an exclusive, like I'm a sucker. I'm such a sucker for that kind of thing. Unfortunately, it just works on me. And I mean, he was right. He was telling me that you could go online right now and just get the brown pair. You could go into any store anywhere and just purchase them. But this color, this particular color, I would probably never see again. So I was like, you know what? You're right. You're so right, and I'm so sold. They also weren't any more expensive than the regular color, so that also kind of played into it, where I was like, okay, it's not like crazy expensive for this color, but it was just so fun and a really cool, unique find. Also, all of my other clothes are like clearly very neutral, so having a pop of color in my shoes I feel like is honestly kind of a fun idea and definitely elevates my style a little bit. So all this to say, I have the shoes in the bag. Leave a comment right now if you can guess what color they are. I'm curious to hear what you guys think. But now I will show you what color I got. It is Hermes orange is what I will call it. This is literally their color. Like, absolutely stunning. And I was nervous that these would look absolutely crazy, but they actually don't. Like, these with a pair of blue jeans, white t-shirt, like, I see it. I see the outfit now. It is so, so cute. I will admit they're probably more of a spring summertime color as opposed to a fall winter look, but also they're sandals, so naturally they're gonna be like more of a spring summer kind of shoe than a fall winter shoe. That really didn't bother me that much. But yeah, here they are together, and they are so, so beautiful. Like, wow. Wow. I can't believe I own these. They are so fun and so, so stinking cute. Like, could you imagine these also like floral dress in the spring? Pop of color, like, this is everything. So I'll give you guys a close up. And yeah, these are their Oran sandals in such a beautiful orange color. You can see they're just a pretty classic style. Nothing crazy. They're actually super comfortable too. This is very, very soft leather on here. I also love how just the whole shoe is orange. So fun, so cute. Even a little side heel on it. Like, I'm so obsessed. These are so, so beautiful. But yeah, so I did go in originally hoping for a leather appointment. Did not get it, but I had known even if I didn't get the appointment, I was really, really looking forward to getting a pair of sandals out there. With the conversion rate from euros to dollars, you do actually save a bit of money. So I was obviously excited about that as well, you know, smart shopping. And yeah, when I saw this color, like, I was so, so sold. Yeah, these are so, so cute. I'm so, so excited to start styling these more in the upcoming months. So I'll give you a bit more of like a practical breakdown of the shoes. So when it comes to sizing, I will say they are very much true to size. I thought they would run a little on the small side. So when I had asked for my first like go around of trying the shoes on, I asked for a 4.5, and immediately when he brought out the shoes and I started trying them on, they were too big. So I ended up getting these in a size 4, and they fit really, really well. Super, super comfortable. It was also kind of funny because I wasn't thinking that well in advance and ended up wearing a pair of tights to my appointment where it didn't really make sense for trying on sandals, which I didn't think about until I was literally trying them on. And so we ended up going into a dressing room where I took off my tights to be able to try on the shoes properly. With the tights on, they felt like really slippery, obviously, and I couldn't get like a good feel for how it was to walk around in them, how comfortable they would be. So yeah, without the tights on, I was able to actually wear the shoe properly, and the 4 fit perfect. So again, if you're ordering them online or unsure, definitely stick true to size. Like I said earlier, these were super, super comfortable. I'll definitely give you guys an update as I start wearing them more if I feel like they become uncomfortable or if like little parts start bothering me, but just trying on in store, they were very comfortable. And that's like the biggest red flag if you're not wearing them all day and you just try them on and they're immediately uncomfortable, like huge red flag. So it definitely was not the case with these. They're really, really nice quality, really great leather, and just a beautiful shoe, just a beautiful shoe in general. I will say the flatness on here makes me like slightly nervous that they're gonna be a little bit slippy slidey, but honestly, like not more so than any other sandals that I own. But yes, that's the only thing I can foresee maybe having issues with, but actually not really though, because there is like a bit of texture on here, to be honest, and helps make it not be as slippy slidey. So yeah, just something to look out for, just something to consider. But yeah, so that's a little breakdown of the actual sandals themselves. These sandals come in like a crazy amount though of different styles and colors and fabrics. I did though fact check them. I did go online and search, and they do not have this actual orange color online. It is not available online, or honestly probably in most stores that he was saying. They do have a similar color, but it's a little bit more of like a burnt orange red that he did actually bring out to show as a comparison. But yeah, this color was just chef's kiss, like the perfect Hermes orange, and really is a statement that I was looking for, or didn't even know that I was looking for. So yeah, very excited by that, excited by the purchase. Again, although I didn't get the leather appointment, I still had a really great experience. The sales associate who helped me was so nice. He did unfortunately like kind of get my hopes up a little bit, where he was curious what bags I was looking for, but then kind of transitioned into, did you make an appointment, and how I did, and I didn't get one. So a little bit of a fail, but honestly not really a fail, because I still got these gorgeous shoes that I was totally not expecting to love so much that I do now. So yeah, that's my little Hermes Paris story and unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, got some little information. If you're ever out in Paris and want an Hermes bag or leather appointment, definitely make sure you try. Go on to the website, you just make an appointment, really easy. This associate also shared the tip where the people you're traveling with, they could also apply for the appointment as well, as long as they're with you when you go to the appointment. You know, it's free game. So I did actually ask my sister to also try and get one for the next day, but she didn't get one either, unfortunately. But that's also just a little tip, gonna maximize your chances. But yeah, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also be sure to leave a comment down below. Do you think you would find yourself getting a statement color shoe, or are you definitely more of a neutral person? I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.